Good evening. My current bucket list placed on your ideas. Here are five things work love to do in my professional life. Become a manager, work in another country, start my own company, guide the tax, write a book about my career, use the freestyle conditioner. If become a manager, I will help my team grow. If I work in another country, I will learn new business skills. If I start my own company, I will create hot opportunity. I give a tell the task I will inspire you professional. If I write a book my career, I will work my experience, my other, and the passive voice. Many goals will be achieved when become a manager. New friendship will be made when I work abroad. A store bank will be with when I start my company. My story will be recorded when I give the talk. The book will be published when I finish writing it. Include report speed. My mentor said I show I was led with empathy. My friend told me working abroad shaped your perspective. I entrepreneurship required courage. My colleague told me sharing ideas can inspire others. My boss celebrating her youth reflect on youth growth. My career list become a manager is become manager I will hear me team grow. My goal will be achieved when I become a manager. My mentor say I work well led and why empathy. They work in another country. If I work in another country, I will learn new business skills. The friendship will be mad when I work abroad. My friend told me working abroad change your perspective. Start my own company. If I start my own company, I will create your company. A strong brand will be with when I start my company. My teacher said entrepreneurship requires courage. I I give a tell I will inspire you professional. My story will be recorded when I give a tell tag. My colleague told me share India can inspire others. Write a book about my career. If I write a book about my career, I will share my experiences with others. The book will be published when finished. Write it. My boss side with her. You reflect and you grow. Thank you.